Rosarena aboard for Luke Raley. And he shoots one deep into center field. That ball's got some distance and is out of here. That baby a home run to center off the bat of Luke Raley. And the Rays take an early lead. A laser shot off the bat of Luke Raley.
Had a big spring, and you know he's watching the at-bats of Franco and Brandon Loud, two other left-handed hitters, and no doubter by Raley.
Here is Luke Raley, who homered his first time up, a two-run blast in the first. He sends this one the other way, deep to left. That ball's got a chance, and it's gone. A home run to the opposite field. Luke Raley with a line drive. Vargas started to retreat and looked up and saw that one sail over that low railing atop the wall and into the stands and left for the home run.
Infield outfield straightaway on Paredes. 2 for 10 on the young season, looking for his first homer.
1-0 pitch. Paredes sends this one deep to left, and that ball is out of here. Home run on a 1-0 pitch. Paredes pulls that one with authority, and the Rays have a 4.